Hi guys, this is Diane Hogarth here and Victor the Monkey. This is part 2 of how to get more leads on Facebook. So lesson 1 was branding. So lesson 2 is teaser posts. And I'm going to show you what a teaser post is. Right, I have chosen this video here. How to make $30 an hour watching videos. So you've got to think, what am I going to promote today? So that is the video that I'm going to promote. So you think of a question. Who wants to know how to earn £30 an hour watching videos and browsing the web? So I put this on just over a week ago and I'm still getting the thing is, if you do 1 or 2 of these and you get like 200 each on each one, you get a bit inundated. So how to actually reply the right way? Okay, Rachel Muccio. What you do is you send Rachel a message and you go, hello Rachel, thanks for commenting on my post. Would you still like info on how to make an hour watching videos? The reason we do this is if you actually send your link straight away 10 times in a row, Facebook will flag you up and put you in jail. So you have to go, hi Rachel, thanks for commenting on my post. Would you still like info on how to make $30 an hour watching videos? Okay, I should have copied and pasted that. But you do the same for Kim. If you add a friend, if you don't know them already, send her a message. Hey there, Kim. Now, if you notice, I'm changing it up a couple of times. Hey there, hello. Because again, Facebook think you're spamming. Would you still like info on how to make $30 an hour? Oops. Watching videos. If you go Control A, Control C, you can keep changing the name, and that's a little secret. Add friend, affiliate marketers. I'll tell you about that another time. Right. So you Control V, change the name, Lillian. Now make sure that you spell it right, Lil-Yan. Okay, so after you've done that, you have to write the name in here, Rachel, E-A-L, Rachel Muccio, highlight it, just send you a message. The reason why you put that in, it's because Rachel Muccio, you've just been mentioned in a post. If you just put an answer in without the name, they're less likely to see it. So again, hey Kim, great meet you in here. Thank you. Whoops. Thank you. Kim Thomas. If there's 2 Kim Thomases, just check that the picture there matches the picture. There you go. And Lillian. Hi, Lillian. Thanks for stopping. Again, you have to change this. Sent you a DM. The method is you have to change a word every single time. The same if you're doing a teaser post. If you go, hi, hey, hi there, thanks for stopping by, sent you, sending you, sent you a message, sent you an inbox message, sent you this, sent you that. Always keep changing the words. And then when they come back and say, yes, I would like it, you can either send them the link, or if you're clever, put it on a capture page and start building your email list. So that's top tips from the top. Hit the like, hit the share button, hit the notifications button, because I'm still on YouTube, even though this is a course. And I'll see you on the next video, guys. Thanks for watching.